In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund for money that you may have sent on Cash App. So there's going to be three options for how you can do this. The first option, what you're going to want to do is go to your transactions in the bottom right corner and then find the transaction where you sent someone money. Now in some instances, when you send someone money on Cash App, it won't actually send until they confirm that they want the payment to go through. So you could come into the transaction and find a cancel button. So if that money hasn't been sent, you can click that cancel button and then the money will just go back into your cash balance. Also note this transaction number here, and you can copy that. We're going to use that later on in the video. The next way will require some communication with the person that you sent money. So let's say someone sent me $100 and then they want a refund from me. So the person that received the money can go to the transaction and then scroll down. And then at the bottom here, in the middle of the what can you do, they can click the refund button. And then this will refund the money back to the cash balance of the person who sent it. And I believe the refund might not be instant, it might be a few days, so just note that as well. And then the third way, we're gonna wanna tap the icon in the top right corner, and we can scroll down until we see support. Go ahead and tap on that. And you can scroll to the bottom and tap on chat. Now this is Cash App support, and you can ask them about the refund. Normally they'll reply with like a bot or automated response first, but you see they're gonna get someone to help me. And then remember the transaction ID that we copied earlier in the video? We're gonna be able to tell them the transaction ID and see what they can do. So there is a potential that you could get a refund through this method. So they are sending all this stuff, say pick a transaction, and they might be able to help you through this process. So there's the three ways to potentially get refunded for a payment that you sent on Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.